How are you, friends? How are you? Welcome everyone, because I clicked at the right time and the most precise moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well guys, today we are going to remove the account from this device I have here. We will do this with the iRemove program tools, right? The best thing about this tool is that you can do the registration procedure without needing someone's help and without having to pay a commission to another person to register your device, right? What will we need to do this? We will need a high quality USB cable. We will need good internet for the device and the computer. And we will need a Windows computer, okay? A somewhat more current one, because sometimes older Windows computers, they cause problems with these procedures. In case you have problems or errors, I suggest that you try other USB ports on your Windows computer to carry out this procedure in case you have errors, right? So as you can see, the device is asking me for an account, right? So here I am going to run the iRemove Tools program. I am going to run it as an administrator. All right, that's it. You can download this from the official iRemove Tools website without any problem, right? You can do it. Well, so the moment when you connect the device, the iRemove Tools program will scan the device, and it will show you a message that will tell you whether your device is compatible or not compatible for being able to remove the account. If your device is compatible, it will show you a message where you have to click, and it will take you to their official website for you to make the payment for the device registration and do it with your email. Yes, because in about 1 or 2 days you will receive a notification in your email indicating that the registration of your device was successful. To pay for this, you need to do it with a credit card, right? Or a debit card. You can use either card to pay for the registration, and I recommend that you use a card separately, an extra card, right? Just load it with the balance that the removal of the device costs, and if possible, the removal of the device account, and if possible, add a bit more balance so you don't have issues when paying the registration of your team, right? So do it that way and you won't have any problem for make the payment for your device registration, right? So pay attention to those tips I just mentioned, right? Well, so now here I connect my device and the program has already detected it. Yes, one important thing is that your device must be unlocked for all networks, meaning it should be unlocked so it can use any SIM card in the world to get a signal, right? Because if not, calls or the internet or the device will not work for you, right? It's important that you know that. Okay, so here I will click on start and my device you have to wait for me because in this next message I have to click on next so that my device enters what is recovery mode. This is completely normal. Don't worry. It's completely normal. Yes? And now, what we need to do is the jailbreak. On the iPhone 7, 7 Plus and later, you have to press the power button and the volume down button. If you're on an iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, first generation, you have to press the power button and the home button. And here, the iRemove Tools program will give you a countdown for you to press and release the keys. You need to be attentive to the program when it tells you about the keys that you have to press, right? So, I get ready here, I click on start, press the keys. I release the power button, keep holding the volume down. And the jailbreak procedure will begin. This is compatible with devices that have an A11 processor that go up to iOS 18.4. It is compatible with those devices, right? So keep that in mind, right? So pay attention to that detail, right? All right, we wait for the procedure. It seems like it's done. We wait a moment. We wait for the seconds mentioned by the tool to pass. So don't miss that detail. Yes, it says that the jailbreak is already done. I click on close. Now, here on the device, I'll show you that it's still locked, right? So you can see there's no trick, no cheating, okay? Yeah, I'll show you that the device is still locked. Here it is, it's asking for the account. I will do it again so that later they don't say that it's a trick, as they say, but no, there it asks for the account. Well, so now what we have to do is click on start, so it removes the account from the device. We wait a few moments. We wait a few moments. The tool is already doing its job. Perfect. Yes, it says it's already done. So I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to close the tool because I don't need it anymore. And we'll stay here with the device. We wait for the device to start again. Okay. Ready. We disconnect the device and here it is, right? As you can see, the account associated is no longer showing. The account is no longer there. I will show you the version of iOS. Oh, there is iOS 16.7.11, which is the newest. Perfect, right? Here is the device. Now it's time for the acid test. What is shutting down the computer? We are going to try it. Meanwhile, that happens. Here, I will prepare the part of inserting the SIM card. Now I turn the device on again. And here it is, right? It is something easy and simple to do. It doesn't take much skill. So ready, here is the device again. As you can see, it doesn't ask for the account. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi and I'm go I'm going to turn off the Bluetooth. Bluetooth makes me cringe. And I'm going to insert the SIM card into the device. We have to wait for it to pick up the signal. Perfect. Now the device has signal, as you can see. And here it is, right? Let's test the internet to see if it works. And there it is, working without any problem. Magnificent. We need to make a call.
It is our pleasure to assist you. We inform you that...
Lady, as you can see, it worked correctly, right? And well, guys, if you want to be part of this community, below are the links to the WhatsApp and Telegram groups, okay? So you can join, leave your doubts, questions, and comments below the video, and I'll be happy to answer them. And activate the bell, subscribe to my channel so you know when I upload a new video, and give it a big like, right? So it reaches more people who need to solve these problems, right? Well, guys, that's it for today. See you. Take care. Until next time. Bye.